What if creating and listing an NFT was easy, like uploading a picture to social media? With a sleek and intuitive UI made both for experienced traders and new blockchain users. Whether you're a creator or a collector, Sologenic brings you the ultimate low cost to mint and trade NFTs in seconds. Say goodbye to ridiculous gas fees while still trading in a decentralized ecosystem.
What's good, YouTube? This is RPU here, and I'm back again with another video. And guys, we have to talk. We have to talk because Sologenic was on fire today. I'm checking my Coinbase, and I'm looking at Solo, and it was at $6.53, up 46% in one day. That's crazy. And a lot of people in my comments were calling for a $7 Sologenic. Y'all seem to have been right on the money. And a lot of people were worried about, tax purposes for the airdrop, saying, that it could be a big problem. But I'm going to show you later on in this presentation that it may not be as big of a problem as you think. But you see all these Twitter tabs? Yeah, we got a lot to talk about. So yeah, this is Bob Ross right here. He is the co-creator at Sologenic. Go follow him at Bob Ross X. Bob Ross says, "Today was a remarkable day for the Solo core team and the community. Sologenic has surpassed $1 billion market cap with only 200 million circulating supply." That's crazy. "With the bright vision and mindful execution plan of the team and the support of this community, the future looks promising." Yeah, man, I'm wondering, how high can Solo really go, man? I mean, the supply is only 400 million. So Solo's probably going to hit double digits. That's crazy. Real Sologenic says, "The Sologenic community is growing super fast. We just passed the 100K mark on Twitter and over 3.5 million watch lists on CoinMarketCap. Go Solo." Wow, that's crazy. We blown up. If you aren't following Sologenic, you can follow them on Twitter at Real Sologenic. If you ain't get it from Sologenic or Bob Ross, then it ain't nothing. Look at this. Tokenized shares on the Sologenic decentralized exchange, man. Look, he bought a tokenized share of Square on the Sologenic decentralized exchange. That's crazy. So now we got stocks on the Sologenic exchange. The cryptocurrency market and the traditional financial market are merging. And we're in the right place at the right time. Bob Ross says, "Sologenic has the highest number of trust lines ever been established on the XRPL, and it's still going up. The next target is 250,000 at Real Sologenic." So a lot of you guys were worried about, the tax purposes on the airdrop. There are so many people signing up for this airdrop, and it's kind of open-ended. There's going to be so much XRP being contributed towards this airdrop. There's only 200 million that's being distributed. I don't think it's going to be as much as we thought it was. And they seem to have confirmed that. Sologenic says, "We would like to clarify that the final ratio of the airdrop depends on the final total number of Solo or XRP at the time of the snapshot. Here's the formula. Solo ratio equals 100 million divided by total participating Solo." So if there's a lot of Sologenic and a lot of XRP being contributed towards this airdrop, which it is, I think he said the most on the XRP ledger ever. Yeah, the highest number of trust lines ever. So it says, example, let's assume the final number of participating Solo is 40 million and for XRP is 10 billion. Then the ratio looks like this. It would be 2.5 per Solo and 0.01 per XRP. So you see, the airdrop depends on how many XRP and how many solo are participating. And so if this number keeps going higher and higher and higher, you may not have as big as of a tax bill as you think. But we'll see. I'm hoping to get at least a couple hundred of them. At least. So Bob Ross says, here's a small update for you. Two-tier 1 exchange listings are being discussed now. No ETA, but might happen sooner than you think. In the meantime, the team are in touch with other exchanges to support the airdrop, and the names will be announced as we go. At Real Sologenic. And they have been dropping names. BitTrue says, huge news. Sologenic is coming to BitTrue. Trading starts November 25th at 11 UTC time with USDT. Huger news. We're supporting the Solo airdrop to XRP and Solo holders on BitTrue. You can check the details for how to qualify. I can leave this link for you in the description if you want, so you can figure out how to qualify. Basically now, you can move your XRP and your Solo to BitTrue, and you'll be all good for the snapshot and the airdrop. Sologenic says, we're glad to announce that XMO will list Solo and also support the upcoming airdrop for the XRP and Solo community. At XMOcom provides service in most countries globally, including US, Canada, and Europe. More exchange listings are being announced as we go. Go Solo. So that's another exchange, another group of people from the United States, Canada, and Europe that will be able to participate in the Sologenic airdrop. XMO says all XRP and our Solo holders will be able to receive free Solo tokens. A snapshot of all XRP Solo balances is scheduled for December 24th, 2021, 1800 hours UTC, I think that is. We're also excited to announce the upcoming listing of Sologenic on XMO. So they just confirmed it, that they are listing Solo and participating in the airdrop. Sologenic says we're also glad to announce that GoPax will support the upcoming Solo airdrop for the XRP community in South Korea. More exchange listings are being announced as we go. Go Solo. So now, everybody in South Korea is going to be able to participate in the Sologenic airdrop. They probably got a lot of XRP and a lot of Solo. So, that's even more people. And then, we read, when I did that algorithm video, we saw that in South Korea is like one of the biggest countries in Asia when it comes to cryptocurrency. I think they contribute to like 80% of the Asian market. So that's big. EliPal says, rejoice XRP fans of the EliPal wallet. EliPal will be listing Solo to our wallet and also support the Solo airdrop at Real Sologenic. Store both XRP and Solo securely with the EliPal Titan air-gapped cold wallet. So that's another application that is allowing people to participate in the Sologenic airdrop. It's going to be so many people contributing to this airdrop that, the 200 million is going to have to be divided up evenly. So maybe your tax bill probably won't be as big as you think, man. Rob XRP says, let him know to list Solo by at Real Sologenic. CZ Binance had asked, what should I list? Yeah, if Sologenic gets listed on Binance, Binance is the world's biggest exchange, the biggest exchange in the world. ZZ Binance is a billionaire. And he says he doesn't even care about the money, man. I'm going to upload a interview that he did recently, man. It's really good. But yeah, if Sologenic gets listed on Binance, I'm expecting the price to go even higher. Even higher. Even Bob Ross commented on it. ZZ said, what to list? Bob Ross said, Binance, please meet at Real Sologenic. Sologenic, Please meet Binance. Hello. Hello. Shit. Yeah, that's lit. If we can get that listed, blast off. Bob Ross says, as you might know, the Solo core team has been working on new technology for quite some time. Glad to inform you that we'll finally reveal more details on this new ecosystem on December 20th, 2021. This will directly incentivize all Solo holders. That sounds good. At Real Sologenic, stay tuned. Oh snap. So he's going to make an announcement on December 20th, 4 days before the airdrop, which is probably going to send the price even higher. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Stay tuned. Tony Edwards did an interview with Bob Ross. I can leave a link to this interview in the description if you want, because you'll be able to hear straight from one of the co-creators on, the things that are being built on the Sologenic platform. It's good to know what you're invested in, man. I've said it like 2 or 3 times, man. Know what you hold. So yeah, Bob Ross is out here doing interviews. The people from the team of Sologenic are doing Ask Me Anythings. They did a hour interview. You should catch up on these things, so you can know what you're invested in. Sologenic also says we are happy to announce we now have a Discord server for the Sologenic community to engage, ask questions, and help each other. We will be hosting some special events in this platform. You can via this link. Stay tuned. Wow, so maybe if you get Discord, you'll be able to talk to Bob Ross, on the Discord, and maybe ask him questions, or, that's really cool. I've got minimal experience with Discord, but it's looking like, maybe I'll have to get more involved, because, then I can ask questions directly and maybe learn about some things that are coming about in the future revolving Sologenic. So that's really cool. Sologenic says Sologenic set to launch a new cost-efficient NFT marketplace along with $500 million airdrop. This is an article from Tech Bullion. We can go over a little bit of the article if you want. Sologenic is set to launch a new cost-efficient NFT marketplace along with $500 million airdrop. The team at Sologenic Development Foundation has announced plans to create an NFT marketplace, which will be built on the XRP ledger. The primary goal of the platform is to solve the high cost and slow transactions of current NFT marketplaces on the Ethereum blockchain, trying to be like an Ethereum killer, enabling users to mint, bid, and trade NFTs on the existing Sologenic DEX with relatively lower transaction costs. The Solo team is making big noise today in the crypto space with mentions and endorses from notable sources like NASDAQ. Yeah, I showed you guys that about 2 weeks ago. The Solo core team feels the excitement within the crypto community for the launch of the upcoming NFT marketplace on the Sologenic DEX, and we believe that this new marketplace is going to solve the current barriers and problems such as extremely high cost of transaction and slow networks to mint, bid, or trade NFTs. Riza Bashash, tech lead at Sologenic Development Foundation. Then the airdrop over $500 million worth of Solo. We know about the airdrop already. If you don't know about the airdrop, you can watch Free Money Part 3. Why is Solo unique? One of the major attractions of Solo is the tokenization of traditional assets, allowing investors to trade tokenized stocks and ETFs, amongst with the platform featuring over 40,000 different securities. That's crazy. I showed you earlier in the video how that guy had bought a share of Square on the Sologenic decentralized exchange. That's crazy. The platform is particularly unique for the proof of solvency mechanism, providing a way for anyone to audit the reserves of Sologenic and confirm the value of their underlying assets. Of the amazing features that have attracted Sologenic to millions of people worldwide are the anticipated launch of a crypto credit card, with up to 200% reward cash back, and of course the major airdrop. Wow. I wonder how many Sologenic you're going to have in order to qualify for the airdrop. You know? Hopefully, maybe it's not too much, because the price is going up so high, you probably won't even need that much, which is good. Then more people will be able to get that credit card. But yeah, that's just a little bit of this article. I'll leave this article in the description if you want to read that as well. Let's keep going. Sologenic says the Sologenic NFT Marketplace is going live soon. Watch the teaser and share your thoughts. We're going to provide early access to a handful of number of creators to test the marketplace and start creating their NFT collections for the launch. You can apply here. I can leave this link in the description if you want. So maybe you can become a beta tester and get familiar with the marketplace. So let's play this little teaser real quick.
What if creating and listing an NFT was easy, like uploading a picture to social media? With a sleek and intuitive UI made both for experienced traders and new blockchain users. Whether you're a creator or a collector, Sologenic brings you the ultimate low cost to mint and trade NFTs in seconds. Say goodbye to ridiculous gas fees while still trading in a decentralized ecosystem. What if
Now, with this being so cheap to mint NFTs, a lot of people are going to get tired of the Ethereum gas fees, and they're going to come over here to Sologenic and mint NFTs for the low. This is going to be big, It's doing exactly what it's designed to do. Be cheap, affordable, and, accessible for everybody. Let's keep it moving. Riza Bashar says, here's the deal. We're going to provide early access to a handful of number of creators that start creating and minting their NFT collections on the upcoming Sologenic NFT Marketplace. We'll provide a forum for early access in early December. Get your collections ready. So, yeah. If you want to get early access, I'll leave that link in the description from the previous tweet. And, you'll be able to get involved. Get involved with what you're invested in. Contribute to the ecosystem. Now, there was an issue with the XRPL ledger where people were having problems signing transactions, but it seems to have been resolved. Sologenic says we just released another temporary fix to allow users to sign and execute orders on the decentralized exchange. Currently, you can only access the decentralized exchange through the web app on Sologenic. So I guess they were having an issue, but they've added a temporary fix so the decentralized exchange can keep going. I think this was around the time where David Schwartz was doing the recent update on the XRP ledger for negative UNLs. So, do your own research, I'm with XRP and I'm with Solo, so it don't matter. At the end of the day, I'm Team XRP and Team Solo. And then let's end this video off with this question. Bob Ross says, this guy sent 3,104 Sologenic to the Sologenic Gateway, also known as a black hole, which is used to burn all the transaction fees within the Sologenic ecosystem. Will the community approve a one-time courtesy grant for 2,000 Solo from the Solo Community Fund? CCC says, at your mercy, literally, I lost a large sum of tokens in a black hole. If a portion could be recovered, and if only once ever in my life, would you guys be gracious enough to see a struggling father redeem himself or lose it all? Sologenic community, XRP community, last straw, I guess. Wow, how do you lose 3,000 Sologenic? How did you send 3,000 Sologenic to a black hole? That's crazy. Should he get a grant? Should he get a 2,000 Solo grant? He sent 3,000 to a black hole, which means those Solo tokens can never be recovered. So he just made the supply smaller, I guess. So, us Solo holders are benefiting from that, I guess. But do you think that he should get a 2,000 solo community grant? Let me know in the comments. So yeah, this is all the latest news on Sologenic for today. Look at the price, man. $6.53, up 46%. Man, if you got in when I got in, you up right now. And it's looking like it's only up from here. So yeah, this is RPU. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.